I didn't bet on that one happening.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making Instant Pot black beans. And we are going for a Tex-Mex flavor. So we're going to be using the Sazon Goya. And it is this brand, this flavor right here. The coriander and annatto. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this up here because I don't want to butcher it. Or if you want more of a traditional flavor, then you can use the Liption Onion Soup mix. And that will give it more of a traditional flavor. We're going to be using 2 pounds of black beans, 4 stalks of celery, 2 bell pepper, 1 onion, 2 jalapenos, and we're just going to poke holes in them and drop them in the Instant Pot, 3 to 4 cups of water, depending on how far the water comes above the beans, the Knorr vegetable flavor base, onion powder, garlic powder, and if we need salt at the very end when it finishes cooking, then we're going to be adding a few sprinkles of salt. Alright, so we're back now that we have our vegetables cut up. We're going to go ahead and add our 2 pounds of black beans. We're going to add our seasonings, the vegetable base, the onion powder, garlic powder, and I have 2 tablespoons of each. Okay. And we have our cut up vegetables. Don't let me forget the jalapenos. I'm gonna go ahead and add another cup, so that will be 5 cups of water in all, because it's not far enough over the vegetables like I like it to be. Alright, we're gonna stir it up. Add our Sazon. Alright, 2 packets of the Sazon worked out perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on our Instant Pot. Remember to check your ring. Make sure that there's no tears and that everything is working properly. Check and make sure these are on your Instant Pot, your little ring. And turn it to ceiling and the top. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the manual button. On some pressure cookers, on some Instant Pots it will say pressure cook. So we're gonna set it for 75 minutes, which is an hour and 15 minutes. And I'm setting it for an hour and 15 minutes because the beans were uncooked and we also live in a mountainous region. If you live in a non-mountainous region, then you can try an hour or even 45 to 30 minutes. But we like our beans with a little bit of a bite, but it's still kind of hard. So that's why we're gonna go ahead and do 75 minutes. All right, and we will come back whenever it gets done. All right guys, so it has been an hour and 15 minutes and it has naturally pressure released for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the valve on the top and see if there's any pressure remaining. There's a little bit of pressure. So we put our towel over and flip it to venting. And we're gonna let the pressure release and then we will be back. Alright guys, we're back. It took 2 minutes for the pressure to release from the Instant Pot. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what we have. Let's go ahead and stir up the beans. Yes, that's the perfect texture. That's just the way we like it. It's not too soft, but it's not hard. It's like in the middle. So this is the way we like our beans. So if you guys like this recipe, then give us a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.